Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to change your Roblox billing address. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox website in your browser or launch the Roblox app on your phone. Log in using your username and password. Make sure you're using the account that's linked to your payment method. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then look for the Billing or Payment Methods section and click on it. Here you'll see your saved payment methods. Click Edit to update an existing one, or choose Add Payment Method if you're adding a new one. Now enter your updated billing address, including your street, city and zip code. Just make sure it matches the address on your credit card or PayPal. Hit Save to apply the changes. Roblox will also update your region based on your new billing info. And that's it. Your billing address is now updated on Roblox. This helps with payments and keeps your region settings correct. If you have any trouble, reach out to Roblox support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.